This is a quick hack to draw stacked teacups, or you could just leave them as bowls. I'll show some patterns, but I encourage you to try your own. The first thing is to draw your own cup on the bottom, and the top of it is level. Can be really any shape, but the top is level. And then we're going to angle, making sure that it's going straight above the one that we have, but angled, and they can be farther out of and more in the cup below. So as you can see, I'm making it look like it's coming out of the cup below. And the top piece is straight, but the sides can have a little bit of a curve. You can leave them just like that as bowls, or you can go ahead and put on handles. I did the cups in a bold marker to be sure you could see it, and then I switched to a thinner one, but I could have just done like one line in the thicker marker. And I've alternated the sides, so on the big side of the cup it's like what's holding it out of the cup below, that they aren't completely straight. And I did a freeform design in the bottom one, so I just started with the dots and add flowers. You could change it. Now I've moved to a horizontal design, and that from above and below, not complete lines, makes a kind of interesting pattern. And again, varying that there's the thin dark. And then I switched to vertical and zigzag. So really play with your patterns so you have a variety. And then this one is diagonal in two directions, and you could have left them as the diamonds, but I decided to go straight through where they intersect to turn them into triangles. And then lastly, I did just a cool border design on the top. Started with those little squares connected to the top and the bottom. But I encourage you to try your own designs and have fun with this.